We're at the bird jungle. The place for like where they sell parrots and birds. Dude, check it out. Welcome to bird jungle. There are like parrots and stuff here. Like, what's up? Hey guys. Are we allowed to pet them? I don't know if we're. Oh, you're so majestic. Look at you. Okay, alright, okay, alright. He's eating it with his feet. God, if only human feet were still as versatile as bird feet. You look so cool and majestic. Can I feed him?
I think the one down. Pick one of the ones that's off.
Why?
I'm not to reach into the
What's up, dude? Hey. That was rude. Yeah, check out all these birds. Oh, look, baby birds. Baby birds. Baby birds. Baby. Almost dropped the internet.
Disgusting. You're disgusting. Oh my god. You're just screaming and hissing.
There's a really huge bird that we have to look at. Excuse me. Thank you. Look how huge this one is. Wait, it's talking. That's fantastic. Hello. No, it's not. Hello. Hello. Girl. Bird. What's up? Oh, you're huge too. Oh my god. Hello. What? Hello. Hello. I don't think it's working for me. Hello. Oh, that was for me, right?
Nice, go kiss. Go kiss.
What's up? Are you sleeping? You're probably sleeping. Okay. How you guys? You're also. Nope, sleeping. Okay. Birds and stuff. Ow. Hello. Okay. Oh, you look so majestic with your head thing. Woo! Hey. Okay, you're loud, very loud. I don't know which one you are, but you're quite. Ooh, this one looks cool. The white one. Little tiny baby birds. I think these are my favorite though. They're so cool looking. Oh, okay. Alright, well, that was probably it. Yep.